You've heard about PayPal, right? Who wants to know about the app that pays instantly to PayPal? You are at the right place to know how to get free money on PayPal. PayPal is one of the most popular payment platforms, especially for international payments. We've recently talked about great websites for getting fast PayPal money, such as Survey Junkie and LifePoints. Today, we're going to delve into the smartphone world and talk about specific apps that make money fast for PayPal. There are millions of active members on PayPal, making it one of the most used such platforms. What makes PayPal popular is the fact that you can get your free PayPal money instantly. Due to its popularity, there are a number of apps that pay money instantly to PayPal. It's always better to get paid by cash than by some gift cards. If you're a savvy smartphone user, you know that there are reward-based apps. These apps reward you to take surveys, play games, watch ads, scan receipts, and more. Many of these options reward you with gift cards. While this can be nice, many people prefer to get cash instead. Below, I've included a diverse selection so you can easily find apps that fit you. Most of these apps that pay instantly to PayPal, while some of these will take up to 24 hours or so to transfer money to your PayPal account. So let's find out how to get free money on PayPal and what apps pay you instantly. It's nice to have a little cash handy, right? You could always pawn some of your stuff, true, but no one likes doing that. You could also ask your family for money, but that's no good either. And taking out a payroll advance or a personal loan is even worse. So why not try one of these money-making apps instead, huh? Here in this video, we cover apps for both Android and iOS devices that pay money to PayPal. Number 1. Earn up to £10 for tasks such as snapping bananas in your home. Free money-making app Mobile pays for small tasks such as snapping photos of objects around the house or checking products availability in shops. It pays you up to £10 per mission. Tasks that pay £50-ish are more common. On the upside, they are usually super quick. To get involved, download the app on Android or iPhone, then complete a quick test task. You can then check the map to see missions near you. Once you book a job, you have 2 hours to venture out and complete it. You just take the requested pictures and fill out the info. The jobs seem to involve less effort than other apps. We've heard of tasks such as £50 to take a photo of any brochure to £10 for taking photos of a banana in your house. Number 2. Ibotta. How it works. Ibotta lets you earn cash back on in-store and online purchases at over 1,500 brands and retail chains. Originally for groceries, it has expanded to include clothing, entertainment, pet supplies, and other categories. Offers can be product or retailer specific, and some will automatically be applied. For others, you'll need to complete an additional task such as watching a video or taking a poll. There are 3 possible ways to earn cash back in stores. Add offers and submit your receipt in the app after your shopping trip. Link your retailer loyalty accounts or purchase a retailer gift card through the Ibotta app. For online purchases, you shop through the app or website. Payment, PayPal gift card or direct to a bank account. Pros: you'll receive cash back on in-store purchases quickly, typically within 24 hours. Ibotta also offers up to $20 welcome bonus, referral bonuses, and a variety of payment methods. Cons: making money can be a slow process. You must have at least $20 in cash back to redeem your earnings. For online shopping, the pending period for earning cash back varies by retailer, but for some, it can take several months to get credit for your purchase. For example, at the time of this writing, the pending period for Mackeys.com is up to 90 days. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel to make money online for more videos about work from your home. Number 3. OfferUp. OfferUp, which recently combined with competitor like Go, functions as a local marketplace that you can use to sell your stuff. If you want to reach a broader audience, OfferUp also allows shipping within the continental United States. Create an account and snap a picture of your smartphone, car, sofa, or whatever it is you're selling. Once you add a title, description, and price, you can post your listing and chat with buyers directly through the app. Then you'll ship to or arrange a meeting with the buyer. Payment, cash or deposit to a debit card or bank account. Creating a listing is simple and fast, and you'll get paid instantly when you make a cash sale. You can also view a prospective buyer's reviews and ratings to get an idea of how trustworthy they are beforehand. If you ship your item, the buyer pays the cost, and OfferUp provides the label. Number 4. Upwork. Upwork connects freelancers to gigs in writing, design, marketing, and other categories in the marketplace. First, you'll create a profile. It should include information such as the field you're interested in, plus your qualifications, availability, and desired rate. Then you can submit proposals. Clients will review them and offer projects if you seem like a good fit. You'll pay a small sum for each submission, but you won't be charged when clients contact you. You can get paid on an hourly or per project basis. The payment directly to your bank account, wire transfer, instant pay, PayPal, and Pioneer. Charges apply to some payment options, to be sure to check Upwork for details. Upwork helps take the work out of seeking out clients, establishing relationships, and getting paid. The service also gives you the flexibility to set your preferred rate and schedule. The app is free to download, but initiating contact with clients costs money. Users also get charged a service fee. Upwork takes a 5 to 20% cut of your earnings based on how much you've billed a client. The more you earn, the more you get to keep. However, you won't get paid until 10 days after the billing period ends. Number 5. Swagbucks. How it works. Swagbucks is a cashback and rewards app. You earn points, called SB, by shopping, taking polls, watching videos, playing games, or fulfilling other tasks through Swagbucks. You can redeem those points for gift cards or get cash back to your PayPal account. The total points awarded can vary by task. For example, the surveys are typically worth about 40 to 200 SB points each. The minimum balance required to redeem depends on the payout option you choose, but some gift cards are available for as low as 140 SB. Payment: a gift card or PayPal. Swagbucks offers many easy ways to earn rewards, and there's no waiting period to cash in. Payments usually arrive within 10 business days after redemption. You can also get a $10 bonus with a qualifying $25 purchase when you join. It doesn't pay much. One SB is worth about a cent. With many tasks valued at pennies, it can be a fair amount of time and effort to make substantial money. Additionally, you won't qualify for every survey or task. Users often report getting kicked out of surveys in the middle of taking them. This can be due to demographics or dishonest or inconsistent answers according to Swagbucks. However, if you decide to go with Bitcoin, there is no minimum payout. How long does payment take? Observer reviews and approves your work within 24 hours. Once it's approved, your payment will be in your PayPal account within 24 hours. Does PayPal give free money instantly? No. PayPal is like a bank and it doesn't give you free money instantly. You can earn extra cash for free on websites like here, which they pay to your PayPal account. That way you can earn free PayPal money instantly and will depend on the apps you use. My conclusion on how I get free PayPal money instantly: you will not get rich by using these strategies to earn free PayPal money instantly, but if you need money urgently, these are pretty handy ways to get started. Based on what we think is worthy, if you have more about it, please feel free to share them with us. Share them in the comments below and wait for our interesting topics coming soon. If you think they deserve to be on this list, share your opinion in the comments below.